Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So as you all know that we have been solving many questions related to the various units for the CSIR NET examination, and we are now starting off with unit number 4, that is the cell communication and signaling. And today is the 16th day in the question practice, and the question for you is that which of the following is not an extracellular matrix protein? Which of the following is not an extracellular matrix protein, that is ECM protein? You have 4 options for the same. The first option is fibronectin, second option is laminin, third option is vitronectin, and the fourth option is cyclin. So try to solve this question, get the answer on the Telegram channel, and also do not forget to post the answers in the comment sections for a better practice, for a better understanding of the concept. So this was about for this particular video. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you with more questions, more quality content on Botany Insider. Thank you for watching.